Here's a complete roundup of what's unfolding across Maharashtra this week in our special program, Maharashtra 360. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis visited the Maharashtra Pavilion at the ongoing 44th India International Trade Fair at Pragati Maidan. The pavilion, set up by the Maharashtra Small Industries Development Corporation under the theme Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, covers 1,098 square meters. There are 60 stalls including government departments, ODOP exhibitors, women SSGs and women entrepreneurs. Live patterning weaving demos, organic products, handicrafts, khadi and bamboo items are the key attractions. The design of the pavilion has been inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's forts. It includes 3D models of Raigad, Pratapgarh, Sindhudurg and Torna, and the entrance that has been modeled on Raigad's Nagar Khana gate, along with a 3D bronze-style depiction of Shivaji Maharaj. District-wise, ODOP map was put up featuring Pattani saris, Kolhapuri chappals, Varli art, Solapur textiles, Satara jaggery, Nagpur oranges, Pune bakery products, Chandrapur Gadchiroli bamboo craft and more. Now, with the Mahaparinirvan Din approaching, the state administration is preparing for the massive influx of followers expected to gather at Dadar's Chaitya Bhumi to pay homage to Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar chaired a high-level meeting at the Mantralaya, directing all departments to ensure meticulous coordination and on-ground readiness for the event that will be observed on the 6th of December. The Chief Secretary directed that drinking water, sanitation and resting shelters be made available for the devotees at the Chaitya Bhumi and Shivaji Park. As traffic police have been tasked with maintaining smooth vehicular traffic and setting up directional signage for the crowd guidance. Each department, from health and food arrangement to cleanliness to CCTV monitoring, has been assigned clear responsibilities, ensuring a safe, organized and dignified observance of the Mahaparinirvan Din this year. India is preparing to mark the 350th martyrdom of Guru Tegh Bahadur with a series of awareness and cultural programs across the country. Guru Tegh Bahadur, the 9th Sikh Guru, who laid down his life to defend human rights and upheld the values of truth, restraint, humanity, compassion and courage, and that would be highlighted through months-long initiatives across Maharashtra. Maharashtra is all set to host the commemorative events, beginning with the program in Nagpur on the 7th of December in the presence of UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, followed by another major gathering in Navi Mumbai on the 21st of December with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The main event will take place in January 2026 at Nanded, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to attend. Alongside these central programs, a statewide outreach drive is underway with workshops and activities spread across talukas, cities and districts, ensuring Guru Tegh Bahadur's legacy reaches every corner. The initiative also brings together Sikh, Sikligar, Banjara, Labana, Mohyal and Sindhi communities, highlighting their shared heritage and participation in this historic commemoration. In a rare honor reserved for Maharashtra's most towering contributors, the state government has conferred its highest civilian award, the Maharashtra Bhushan 2024, on renowned sculptor Ram Sutar, the man behind most of India's some iconic statues. As the award was presented at Sutar's own residence in Noida, with Chief Minister Fadnavis, Deputy CMs Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar travelling to personally felicitate him. Ram Sutar, originally from the Gondor village in Dhule district, has created countless notable sculptures across India and worldwide. He designed the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat, and the under-construction Statue of Equality at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Memorial in Dadar. He has also sculpted captivating and lifelike statues of Lord Buddha, Lord Mahavir, Swami Vivekanand and many other eminent icons. The prestigious Sahitya Akademi Bal Sahitya Puraskar 2025 were presented in the national capital. Senior Marathi children's poet and writer Dr. Suresh Sawant received the award for his poetry collection, Abhala Maya. Now, Dr. Sawant is not just a poet, but also an internationally acclaimed researcher and writer. He has authored scholarly works on children's literature, Ambedkarite literature, and socially transformative literature. Writers from 24 languages were honored at the ceremony. Each winner received a citation and 50,000 rupees. Abhala Maya contains poems that taps into a child's imaginative world. Written in simple, emotional and imaginative language, these poems connect children with nature, the sky, dreams and the world of childhood. The collection exemplifies Sawant's ability to create joy, understanding and aesthetic sensibility for young readers. And those were all of the news updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.